In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from x.com, formerly known as Twitter, in just a couple of quick steps. This is a really simple process, but if you're new to the platform or using X on a shared device, knowing how to properly sign out is important for privacy and security. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. Once you're on x.com, or inside the X app, take a look at the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile icon there. This is the account menu area, and it's where X keeps most of your account and settings options. Go ahead and click your profile icon in the bottom left. After you click it, a menu will appear with several options related to your account. From that menu, look for the Logout option. It may also be labeled Sign Out depending on the interface version you're using. Click Logout, and X will immediately log you out of your account. That's really all there is to it. Once you've logged out, you'll be taken back to the login screen, and your account will no longer be active on that device unless you sign in again. If you're using a public or shared computer, this is always a smart final step to make sure your account stays secure. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more quick tutorials, app tips, and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.